One of the simplest way to elevate your professional presence is to prepare before you speak. Many professionals do it spontaneously, but spontaneous thinking often sounds scattered. Before meetings, ask yourself, what is my objective? What decision is needed? What risk must be acknowledged? Write down your key points, not paragraphs, just structure. When you structure your thoughts beforehand, your delivery becomes concise. Preparation reduces filler words, it reduces hesitation, and more importantly, it reduces anxiety. Because anxiety in meetings often comes from uncertainty. When you prepare, uncertainty decreases, and when uncertainty decreases, clarity increases. Professional confidence is not accidental, it is engineered through preparation.